everyone, I hope you all are fine, safe and healthy at your home. So let us start our today's session. In our today's session, I am just going to explain the salt number 3, and that is the salt which we will start. This is of bleaching powder. So here I am writing its common name. This is of bleaching powder. So as it is getting clear from the name, most probably it is to be used to bleach the color, okay? And its chemical name, this is to be of calcium oxychloride, okay? Now, and the formula which we have to make, this is of CaOCl2, calcium oxychloride, okay? So let us talk about its preparation, how it is to be prepared. First of all, we have to take slaked lime. This is of CaOH whole twice, okay? This I am writing here its name. This is to be of slaked lime, and when the chlorine gas is to be passed into it, then what will happen? Then calcium oxychloride is to be formed. Calcium oxychloride is to be formed, and as well as what will happen? H2O comes out, okay? CaO and Cl2, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen, that comes out in the form of water, and this is of bleaching powder, okay? So this was the simple preparation of bleaching powder. So here I just want to tell how we get the slaked lime also. Here I am just giving you the little bit introduction. The marble chips, this is CaCO3. When these are to be heated, then that will dissociate into CaO and CO2, and when this CaO is to be treated with water, then that will convert into slaked lime, CaOH whole twice, and this is of quicklime, okay? So you must know that when quicklime, it is to be treated with water, this is to be converted into slaked lime. Here I am writing this is for slaked lime, okay? And this slaked lime, when it is treated to be chlorine gas, then bleaching powder is to be formed. So let us discuss about its some properties. It is the pale yellow powder. This is to be most probably used to bleach the color, okay? Or it is to be used to bleach wood pulp also. To bleach, this is the use, okay? To bleach wood pulp, especially this is the use in paper industry, okay? Actually the paper which we see, that is brown in the white in the color, but the color of the pulp, this is of brown, okay? So that bleaching powder, it is to be used to bleach the wood pulp, okay? Now we just discuss about some chemical properties. CaOCl2, okay, this bleaching powder, when it is treated to be hydrochloric acid, okay? Now what will happen? This will form CaCl2, this Ca and Cl2, that you have to show like this, and as well as H2O and Cl2 gas will come out, okay? So suppose the question comes, name the substance or name the salt which releases chlorine gas when it is to be exposed in air, okay? So your answer, it is to be of bleaching powder, okay? So I think you all have got it, how the bleaching powder is to be prepared, and its uses, that will be discussed in the next session in detail. That's all for today's session.